Nordlam is part of the international Rubner Group, which operates in 20 different European locations in various segments of the wood industry. The state-of-the-art production plant at the Magdeburg headquarters produces industrially manufactured glued laminated timber for customers worldwide. To ensure optimum wood moisture in the raw material warehouse, a high-pressure air humidification system is used. The laminated beams used for load-bearing structures get their high stability from the precise gluing of thin, individually stacked boards. If the wood is too dry, the glue will not permanently bond the boards. This would mean that the required load capacity would not be reached. An additional risk of cracks and fractures also exists if the overly dried wood is subjected to extreme stresses during pressing and finger jointing. The humidity and the moisture of the wood are extremely important factors in the downstream production process. This is why we use Drabe direct room air humidifiers in our raw material warehouse. We're very pleased with it, and we're able to effortlessly provide stable humidity, allowing us to maximize the capacities of the downstream production processes.